baked apple oatmeal cupcakes. Video for today, guys, I'm making apple oatmeal cupcake. So ito yung mga ingredients ginamit natin. Gumamit tayo ng oatmeal, and then this is the vanilla powder, baking powder, cinnamon powder, of course, almonds and rosiner, and water, and egg, and 2 ipli. So mag-start na tayo, guys. Muna natin yung apple. Anuhin natin yung 2 and a half. Yan, cut into 2, and then kunin natin ito, guys, yung sa gitna. Yan. Tapos kunin ko, and then the other one. And this is my oatmeal, guys. Gumamit tayo yung kitchen machine, and i-blend lang natin ito para to make it powder. So after that, i-separate lang natin, guys, sa glass bowl and set aside. And then gumamit tayo ng 2 apples. So di-cut natin into the slices, and then mix rin natin ito, guys, and then to make it juice. At this is my dry ingredient. Gumamit tayong baking powder, vanilla powder, cinnamon, and also raisin, and almond nuts, and mix all this together, a dry ingredient. And this is my apple, guys. Make the kitchen machine and add 2 egg and blend all this together until to make all mix already. So this is it, guys, na mix na yung apple, and then ang water and 2 eggs. So ito na yung dry ingredient. So ibuhos na lang natin yung mixture natin, guys, and continue to mix and sabay pagbuhos, guys, sa mixture natin. Tuloy-tuloy lang, ganito ang paggawa natin, parang ma-mix lahat yung mga dry ingredient. And this is for mixture, guys. Continue lang ang pag-mix until ma-mix well na, guys. Makita mo na ma-smooth na. So this is it. So mayroon akong baking pan na nakalagay na siya ng baking paper. So baking form. So that is the mixture na, guys. So I have a baking form at gumamit din akong baking paper sheet para hindi siya didikit, and then i-filled lang natin each of 1. Gumamit lang akong 1/2 cup measurement para each of 1 magparehos ang size. Nakagawa ako ng 1 cup sa oatmeal natin, nagagawa akong 12 pieces na oatmeal cupcake, guys. So this is it, guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang paggawa hangtod mapuno yung 12 ka form natin. So this is it, guys. This is yummy and delicious and healthy, no added sugar. So this is na, ready natin i-bake. I-bake lang natin ng 215 minutes. But before that, nilagyan kong cinnamon powder sa taas para naman medyo is taste and fragrant ang dating nito pag maluto. At nilagyan ko din siya ng barley sugar, yung malaki na sugar, guys. It depends kung mayroon kayong available sa bahay. Kung wala, ay pwede na hindi na lagyan natin ng barley sugar. Ito nilagyan ko kasi hindi ko siya nilagyan ng sugar yung mixture. Madiskarte lang para makakain tayong dessert. Now that is ready to bake, and 15 minutes now it's done. So this is my cupcake, guys. It's so yummy. So time to taste it. That is yummy and delicious. So paki-subscribe.